Hello everyone. This is Maher here. I'm just live now on YouTube on my channel to be able to get your questions and to be able to answer to your questions. If anyone has any question, please just let me know and I'll be very happy to answer to your questions. Apart of this, I would like to inform you that I have just put a new course on Udemy platform, and the course is called the Certified Wireless Technician. Dit is a course from CWNP, and the course is live and approved by Udemy. So you can go to Udemy, you can buy it from there. The course will be also live on my platform, My Network Training, between today and tomorrow. So I'm just still uploading the videos to this platform, and then they will be live, or it will be live very soon. So the course speaks about this wireless technician. So everything you need to know as a basic to be able to understand wireless and to be able to install wireless to your customers. And once you finish the course, you can do the exam on CWNP website, cwnp.com. And if you pass it, you get a certificate, which is Certified Wireless Technician, and it is valid for 2 years. So the course is again live, and you can just go to Udemy and you can get it from Udemy for now. And between today and tomorrow, the course will be also on my platform, mynetworktraining.com. So this is the good news that I wanted to share with you. Now, please, if you have any question, I'm very happy to be here with you now and answer to your question. And please try to share this link to the more people to join this live session. So you can just write whatever you want. You can give me your ideas about the way I teach my videos. You can give compliments if you like my way of teaching. You can also say something bad about my way of teaching, whatever you want. Please just write me. I'll be happy to communicate with you and to speak to each other. This makes the YouTube channel more alive, and also you can be more connected to me. So I will start reading the comments. So we have here someone saying, "Love you, dear teacher. You're the best. Thank you very much." And another one saying, "Please explain about log server for PPPoE users." I'm not sure what you mean exactly by explaining the log server. Do you mean how to configure it, how to connect it? To be that's something I think I have one video on my YouTube channel speaking about that. But if you speak about to understand what each log is, so that's something I don't think that any trainer can do that to explain every log what that has as a meaning. So please clarify this. Another question, what does CWNP, not MP, CWNP? It's Certified Wireless Network Professional. Certified Wireless Network Professional, cwnp.com. It's a well-known company. It's vendor neutral. They just teach wireless as wireless. They have courses about wireless security, wireless design, and so forth. So yeah, you can go to their website. It's one of the best company to speak about wireless as in vendor neutral. I think it's the only company available there. Okay, another question here is that what MAICT switch model number comes with PoE? Easy, just go to the MAICT website. I would advise you, go to the hardware, go to switching, and then read there. They mention to you which of the switch has PoE available. Now, most of the switches they do, but some maybe not. So please go there. Some they have only one port, some they have more. Please go there and check that on the MAICT website. That's much easier because no one knows from top of his head how many PoE there are on which brand, which switch model. So yeah, I would advise you to make a visit on MAICT website. Okay, another question. Do you know which MAICT device support captive portal? Do you mean hotspot? If you mean hotspot, all of them. you can create the hotspot even not on wireless, on Ethernet, then you can do also hotspot. Okay, another question here. Hello, sir. Greetings from Philippines. Hello. Greeting from the Netherlands. Okay. So guys, how do you see my way of teaching? Do you like it? How do you find my videos? Do you like them? And are you only just on my YouTube channel, or also you are my students on my platform, which is mynetworktraining.com and udemy.com, which is not my platform, which is a platform I host my videos there. So are you also students for my courses? I would like to hear from you. Yes, so again, the question coming about the hotspot. Welcome page, authenticate by email, SMS. Yes, MicroTik do hotspot make, but it doesn't make authentication by email and SMS and so forth without the usage of a radio server. For this, you need a radio server. Let's stop it here. If you want to ask me how to install radio server, I can't say it here. It's a big topic. It's a course by itself. So I advise you that you make some search and look for MicroTik hotspot with radio server. It should be a third party commercial radio server which allows you to log in using emails or using SMS. There should be plenty of radio servers in the market, and you have to check if they have this capability. So I hope I could answer your question. Okay, so let's see. Do we have some more questions here? Any ideas? Anything you want to ask me? I'm very happy to be with you now live and to answer to your questions. So how to route all clients via WireGuard, my ISP. Okay, how to do that? Well, whether with the WireGuard or whether with any other IP connectivity, you can do something we call it route marking. You route all the packets coming from a source, you mark them, and you put them inside a routing mark, and then you put them inside the route, and then everything will be going from that side. So you can just mark all the source addresses. So you want them to go from one level, and you do the what we call it the route marking. So look at that on the Mango rule. You can see that, and that's how normally you can do it. Okay, your teaching is great and clear. A bit too fast, but okay, a bit too fast. So I will keep that in mind. But I don't think it's too fast. It's just I go with a very good normally rhythm. But yeah, I will check from in the future to go a bit slower. If I go very fast for you, then you can also reduce the speed of the audio on YouTube, because you said you only watch me on YouTube, so you can reduce the speed, and then yeah, that's possible as well. All right. Any more questions, guys? We have 8 people now live with me. Very good number. I hope that the number will go bigger. I don't know if you guys who are live now with me, if you can share the link so more people know about that I'm live now. So yeah. Okay, we have a question how to create VPN server in MikroTik. I'm trying to find out I can answer this question, because it's a course of 3 or 4 hours that I have made to make a VPN on MikroTik. Maybe the easiest way to mention to you is go to mynetworktraining.com. There is a course called VPN tunneling on MikroTik with Lab. VPN tunneling with MikroTik in VPN tunneling with MikroTik or in MikroTik with Labs. Just go to that course, and then you will see how you can configure all different type of VPNs on MikroTik. All of them, they are there. Even the newest one like WireGuard and Zero Tier, They are all in this course. Okay. Another question, how can I reset unified password? There is a possibility that you reset the whole device. There is a button which is from, you just keep pressing on it and then this will reset it. Now, which log server is good to store users' log? There are plenty of log servers. There are also some open sources one. But you mean the user's log, like what the users are doing? Is that what you mean, or the router log? If someone from any user log into the router, then it shows that someone has logged into the router. Please explain more. Okay, question here: what is the first certification someone should do if they want to go to get the MAICT certificate? The first certificate is always um, MTCNA, MicroTech Certified Network Associate. That's the first certificate that you have to go. And by the way, guys, if any group of people would like to follow an official training with me, if you are, for example, in a country and you want to follow official training with me and to do the exam, please make contact with me, and then we can see where we can do the training, whether at your place or at my place, and I will be happy to help you. And then you will be able to do the exam as well for Microtech. So I'm open for that idea. Okay, back to the question about the log server. So you want to know what the users are doing. So you can't, yeah, I don't know legally that you are allowed to see what users are doing. Huh? You can possibly track what they're doing, like, but track like they visited YouTube, but what they're doing exactly, and that's legally is not allowed. If you are an ISP, you are not allowed to do that. So there are, you can get server, we call it deep packet inspection. So deep packet inspection is a server where you can have a general idea of what traffic is happening in your network. And it can detect the packets that are being sent to your network. So it can give you like a graph, like you have 25% of YouTube traffic, you have blah, blah, blah of Facebook traffic, and so on forth. So that's something you have look at deep packet inspection, make a search about that. Okay, some questions here. All right, hi, thanks for all your videos. You helped a lot with your work. I have a quick question about rapid spanning tree protocol. Rapid spanning tree protocol is on MikroTik bridge enabled by default. If we don't need it, it's better to set it to none. Okay, so if you have a network where there is redundancy, means that if you have the computer wants to send to a computer and you have switches inside, many switches. So if it goes, the packet can go from this way and it can go from this way. So then you have redundancy. If you switch off the rapid spanning tree protocol, then in this case, if there is a loop, the loop will stay forever and will never go away. And this is causing for you big problems on your CPU, on your switches, and on your computers as well. Because if there is, for example, like a broadcast happening, one computer makes a broadcast, the broadcast keeps rolling and rolling inside your network. So in this case, the only way to protect from this is to have the rapid spanning tree protocol enabled. Now, if you don't have redundancy, like there is only one way for the packet to go from one place to another, so you don't have a redundant network, then in this case, you can disable the rapid spanning tree protocol. That shouldn't be any problem because anyway, you don't have redundancy. But be careful once you have a redundancy to enable the rapid spanning tree again. Okay. So any more question? Okay, again, asking about the log So again, please look to the deep packet inspection. Deep packet inspection. Just look to that. Make your research about it. I just gave you the clue that the key that you can use deep packet inspection, and then based on that, make your research. Have a server deep packet inspection. This can give you what is happening in the network, like what traffic is being used with a percentage. All right. Any other question? So the number is increasing now. So we should have more people asking questions. Again, I would like to remind you that I have a new course called Certified Wireless Technician, which is live on Udemy as per today. The course will be live also between today and tomorrow on my platform, mynetworktraining.com. So this is one of the important courses that you have to watch, and you can, after finishing the course, you can do the exam with CWNP, and if you pass the exam, you become certified wireless technician and you get a certificate for 2 years. So the course is live on Udemy. Go to Udemy, search for certified wireless technician, a course that I have made it myself. Okay, another question, waiting video for Telegram, WhatsApp, priority vs PCC balancing. Okay, a good topic. All right. I think that for now, we spent something like 17 minutes already. So yes, I announced for you the new course that I have added, and also I have answered to many of your questions. So I hope that every one of you has got some benefit from this live video conference. Thank you very much for the time you spent watching this live session with me, and for those who asked me the questions, thank you very much. If you have any more things to ask me, please, you can just write me by email or to my WhatsApp number, which is on my Facebook page. Go to my Facebook page, search for my name, and make like on my Facebook page, and you can see my phone number there, the WhatsApp phone number, and my email address. Thank you very much, guys, and have a nice evening. Bye-bye.